I've sprayed the wood here, this is the inside lid, with some 3M 90 contact adhesive. And I've also sprayed the felt. I'm using these boards here to kind of hold it up. And I think I need to do before I go this far. I need to take this off. Okay, so now I need to put some boards here to keep this from falling in too soon. I need to get this piece in, corner at a time. Might be too big. Well, it's a bit too wide, it shouldn't be, but maybe I overstretched it. Not worried about being too wide because I can take it off pretty nice. Go along. I want to make sure that it's long enough. Make the thing square. I'm just getting this one edge in. I'm trying to stretch long enough. I think it'll work. Move, can't see here, but push this corner in. Very gently. Push the contact. Bring it up. So tap it very lightly in the corners. You get it to stick. I don't know why this one corner's so out of whack, but I'll take a razor knife and I'll cut that out. So now it's all stuck in there and pressed down. Make sure I get this corner edge defined. All right. Gently. Carefully cut this. Every hero. Yeah. All that fits all together. Let's see if it comes out. All right. That's the lid. Done. For spraying the drawers, what I've done is made a little template, and that way I can just pull it out, spray the next drawer, and I don't have to mask off each drawer. So I just slide it in like that, spray it, and just put the felt in. I'm now 100% complete the chest, so I'll just show you what it looks like at this point. I completed the felt. See these drawers. The drawers are getting easier to pull in and out as the finish dries. You can get an idea for how many drawers are there. And the top. Now just an additional piece of information. I bought all the hardware, almost all of it, not the drawer pulls, but the corner hardware in these brackets, from Gerstner, and they wanted, I believe it was $8 a piece for the corner brackets. And I found these corner brackets on Amazon from a company called Hillman, and they are solid brass, and I bought 4 of them for $6, something like that, and I bought all they had. I had bought 5 packages, so I bought 20 for future projects. What I figured I could do is I could just cut this corner, the back leg off, so I'd end up having a leg similar to this if I was going to do this style. probably go ahead and have it like that. But anyway, it's really hard to find nice, solid brass hardware. Most of it is brass plated steel. So it was a fun project, a lot of work. Now I got to do the same thing on the bottom chest. I'm not going to go through and do a whole series on that, but when it's all done, I'll do one more and show what the completed two pieces look like. I hope you enjoyed the series.